Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Gede Deserwan Kori and I am from class C. I will present an article entitled Analysis Correlation of Accounting System with Management Performance Assessment. Background: Accounting is a process that produces product in the form of financial information. This financial information is used by various parties with an interest in business institution. This party can be an internal party or an external party to the company. One of the important functions of accounting information for internal management is to support management decision making. This important function makes accounting information very available for decision makers. Purpose of the paper: This study aims to examine the relationship between organizational design factor and the use of accounting information for management performance appraisal. This study seeks to collect evidence. Is it true that organizational design factors affect accounting information where this information will be used for management performance appraisal? This evidence was obtained from a questionnaire given to plant managers and supervisors working in small and medium-sized enterprises. Theoretical basis: Contingency theory. Several studies relate to the use of accounting information for management performance evaluation have been conducted. Hirsch, Laderberg, 1986, and Moriarty, Allen, 1991, state that responsibility accounting is one of the important functions in accounting information. Based on responsibility accounting, accounting information is used to evaluate the performance of individual managers. This research question is based on contingency theory. Contingency theory asserts that there is a relationship between organizational structure and situation with organizational effectiveness resulting from this relationship. Burrell and Morgan, 1979. So good managerial activities are carried out by the entire organizational structure integrally and cannot be carried out individually. The most effective organizational structure will depend or be contingent on the overall organizational situation. Methodology: Sample or data. The data for this study involve a sample of manufacturing company organization. Study use: This study used a questionnaire as a tool to collect evidence of the relationship between organizational design factors and the use of accounting information to evaluate managerial performance. Analysis tools: The evidence in this study explored using a questionnaire. This questionnaire was filled out by factory managers in medium-sized companies. The test equipment used is through probability regression analysis. The use of the model in this study used regression testing. Result and discussion: The lack of availability of data that meet the analysis requirement caused some of the requirements for testing using regression analysis tools not to be met. These conditions are the normality of the data distribution and heteroscedasticity. The author tries to reduce this impact by using the natural logarithm transformation of the research data. Hypothesis testing was performed using probability regression analysis. Regression analysis with probability unit based on the standard deviation of the standard distribution mean. Probability regression was used to test the statistical composite between the independent variable and the measurement of the dependent variable. Investigation through regression analysis is an appropriate method that can provide direct research question or hypothesis and a dependent variable dichotomy, as in this study. The dependent measurement requires a value of 0 or 1 depending on what production cost information is used to evaluate managerial performance. And this as the result. Production process has a statistically significant effect or not on to use cost information to assess managerial performance. If the results show a negative beta coefficient, it will show the expected result. Regression data show a positive beta coefficient. This is estimated because the sample is dominated by companies that use JobSoft, not FlowShop. 80% use JobSoft. In theory, there is a strong tendency for FlowShop as opposite to JobSoft to use production costs information for managerial performance evaluation. However, because the majority of respondent companies carry out production process using JobSoft, the results obtained do not support the theory, where production cost information is not used to evaluate managerial performance. Thank you for the listening and goodbye.